Hey guys, it's Pokemon Card Master and
Dad.
yeah, and we're gonna be opening a package of BREAKpoint.
BREAKpoint, guys.
So, guess we'll just cut right into it.
How many's in this pack, Josh?
I think 10 cards. Yeah, 10.
10.
That's what it's always been, except for like the older sets. Right, there it is. Lucky. We got the Luxray and the other Luxray. Luxray Break. So I'm going to give you the best 5 cards.
Oh,
We'll go to the card cam and open them like that.
okay.
Can't give away that code. Just do the card trick. 1, 2, 3, 1, and 2. And you get those cards and I get these cards. So we're going down to the card cam.
Okay, bear with me, people, because I'm not very good at pronouncing these names of these Pokemons.
In 3, 2, 1.